Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. White color, blue color, green color, yellow color, black color, red color. So kids, now we coloring numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we coloring numbers. So kids, first we use blue color and draw 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. The next one is 3. Kids, now we draw 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Kids, now we draw 5 and use white color. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we draw 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. So kids, now we draw 9 and now use green color. Nine. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Kids, now we draw 11. And the next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now we draw 13. The number of 13. Now we draw 14. Kids, the next one is 15 and now we use yellow color. The next one is 16. We draw 16. Kids, now we draw 17. The number of 17. Now we use black color and draw 18. Kids, the next one is 19. We again use black color and draw 20. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.